can't you just forgive me? I don't want to relive all the mistakes I've made along the way. But I always find a way to keep you right here waiting. I always find the words to say to keep you right here waiting. But you always find a way to keep me right here waiting. You always find the words to say to keep me right here waiting. If I chose to walk away, would you be right here waiting? Searching for the things to say to keep me right here waiting.
Idina Next